There were too many storms we could not get through, but I still keep loving you. Fate brought you back to me. This time I won't let you leave. I'm holding on to you forever. I'm never letting go. The time I spent away from you, the time that made me see I need to live this life with you. I need you here with me. It would take a strong, strong wind to take me from your arms again, to take me from your side. It would take a strong, strong wind to pull away this heart of mine, to make us break apart this time. It would take a strong, strong wind. Hearts sometimes lose their way, but I find their way back someday to the arms they need. And I need you like the air I breathe. The time I spent away from you was time lost in the rain. I meant to live this life with you. That's something nothing can change. It would take a strong, strong wind to take me from your arms again, to take me from your side. It would take a strong, strong wind to pull away this heart of mine, to make us break apart this time. It would take a strong, strong wind. This time I'm holding on with everything. This time I won't let go for anything. It would take a strong, strong wind to take me from your arms again, to take me from your side. It would take a strong, strong wind to pull away this heart of mine, to make us break apart this time. It would take a strong, strong wind. It would take a strong